Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I hope you all are doing great in your life. So guys, in today's video, I am going to share some sizzling pictures of Engin with Demet özdemir. Engin and Demet özdemir both are Turkish models and actors. Engin and Demet özdemir both are trending together. Soon, they are going to appear new Fox channel television series Adim Farah. But still, we don't have any enough information about this series, that which kind of role Engin and Demet Özdemir will play together, and storyline of the series, and etc. So guys, here is some new sizzling pictures of Engin and Demet Özdemir together. Fans said Engin and Demet Özdemir looking so perfect together. And duo of Engin and Demet Özdemir is appreciated by many fans. And fans are eagerly waiting to watch this series on their televisions. And to get more information out about this series, I request you to please subscribe my channel to get every update about this series.